Despite the storm outside here at Milda, I decided I should probably try to record some of this. What I'm trying to do is make this map view useful. And when I click through here, it's not actually that useful because we can't follow things well. So let's see here. So Caitlin Fisher, President Electronic Literature. Okay, that's cool. That points there. VR, AR. But what's the point? If I point to AI, these lines don't really show me easily who is lit up. So maybe everybody who is not lit up should be grayed out when you select something. AI in Spain. Okay, I guess that's useful to an extent. Yuli here. Tool for thought, yes. And timeline, why is the timeline highlighted? Yeah, we don't actually know. I'll have to put a period here. Otherwise, that's going to... Let's see now. Yeah, that's better. Spatial computing, so... Yeah, that looks nice, and it's... But what is the point? We have another set of people here on the right. I'm just selecting these general concepts. There seems to be that people are different, or something is different. Depending on what you're doing, it may not be that people are different, but also how do you show relationship between people? Let's see here. This is kind of slow today, it's my computer. So here, Vint and me are connected, but it's not easy to see that when we're in the same lists. So this pattern is obviously cool and all of that, but completely useless. So let's click through. I think we will have to have some sort of columns in this to make it more usable, and also tags to turn on and off, like the locations. You don't always care about where someone's from, you know, why would you? But let's move all of this along a little bit. I guess I need to restart the machine. Come on. That's what I get for running Beta OS. It is an M1 machine, but this is ridiculous. But it does have a lot of computing to do. You know, I can go back to this video that I did. I think it's here. Well, it is columns. It's not columns, but here we have at least two axes that are taken. Here's another column. Column views are probably the most powerful. Okay, so I'm going to move this in a bit, just so I can take the... Let's see, I know with the ISS that's the space station, but with CRS, come on. So that was interesting. I was inventing while that was happening. So this is a transportation thing. It's not really location. So I'm going to just move that general here, take these locations and put them here. So what I think has to be done is just have lots of columns with based on tags. That's probably the view to do. I put that here, so one of them would probably be people. So let me just take a screenshot. Open good old Photoshop. open that screenshot. So how about get rid of this, and for now get rid of all of this. So we have, I'm going to call this, so I'm going to make a background layer that's all gray. Now I can move these things around. In fact, I should probably do some of that here as well. Say something that points useful. I'm going to move. I think I took a screenshot too early. Okay, so it's not exactly one line, but I'm going to make it one line. I've noticed that selecting goes better when it's from bottom left up, which is a bit weird, but whatever. Bottom right up, I mean. Oh, that works fine too. Okay. Make that a column. Align that left. Oops. I'm going to hide all of this. And now let's see. It's got to be somebody who connects to more than just one or two. Let's move this up here. Alright, fine. This is what I will take the screenshot of. We go to Photoshop. Remove it. Okay. Make a gray background. Delete everything that isn't. Oops. Conforming to this basic test layout. And now we obviously need a screenshot of this without. Just get rid of these. So before, and then click on him. Of course, we have to deal with the lines. Going to cut around here. This must be very boring to watch. Sorry about that. That's kind of interesting to design with a record of the design happening. And I'm not sure if it's ever going to be useful to look at, but whatever. Make sure I don't make a silly mistake. So now I select everything else, lift that up, make this visible at Oh, that's very strange. So this is what I would like to delete. Okay, excellent. So this now then becomes this. I wonder if they should be reformatted. And there's my video issue happening. So these columns would be clear columns and whatever. Another view. So this would right map. And I wonder if we can do this. Just get it the right size. Roughly. So about the right size. Get rid of this. Obviously that should be bold, not map. But something to think about. Thanks for looking at this.